I am not in the kitchen today for Thermomix Thursday. I have lent my Thermomix to a friend and I am missing it so much. So I can't wait to get it back tomorrow. So I realise I'm also going live a little bit earlier than 12:30 today, but I have something on at 12:30, so I needed to jump on earlier. Now, I've had a couple of people reaching out to me asking, just saying, I'm not really quite sure if the Thermomix is right for me. So I just wanted to talk about a few reasons. If you're sitting on the fence or wondering, if it's right for your family, then that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to talk about why now is actually the best time if you are thinking about getting a Thermomix. Why now is the absolute best time to be grabbing one, because there are some really amazing offers on at the moment and they're only on for a short time. So a Thermomix is for you if you are time poor and if you are creating meals, or you're actually not even creating meals, you're buying already bought ready-made meals from the supermarket, or you might be getting them from a meal delivery service, then this is absolutely right for you, because the creativity that you can get from this machine and like accessing the online Cookadoo, which is the online cookbook. There are so many different recipes on there that are step by step for absolutely anyone to follow. So that's going to save you time, because there's a meal planning opportunity or function. So you're going to know what you're cooking. You can connect it to Countdown, so you can actually get it delivered straight to your door. You're going to save time there. You're going to be saving money, because you're not going to be needing the meal delivery services, and you are going to be way more creative in the kitchen. So it is hands down the best tool for saving time, saving money. I know that there is an initial outlay, but in the long run, people save between $30 to $80 a week by having a Thermomix and not buying packet food and no delivery services. The need not for delivery services. So if you're a family that's got allergies, it is a phenomenal machine in terms of, I know that you've got to create from scratch. You have to be really aware of what you are putting into your food. It is absolutely amazing for that. If you are someone who really loves garden, you've got your own veggie garden and you really want to maximize your nutrition, just using as many veggies as possible, because it's so good for making pastes and stocks and like tandoori, tandoori paste, all your vegetable, chicken, beef stocks, all of that type of thing. So if you are looking to save time, save money, get more creative in the kitchen, eat healthier, and even getting your kids cooking more. Now, my kids are cooking more by having the Thermomix in the house than what they were beforehand, because it's all there, it's step by step. So they are learning about measurements, they're learning about flavors, and they're putting meals on the table which they would never ever do, I promise you. Now, so because I know that that's a concern for a lot of people, I don't want my kids to lose the ability to cook, but actually for me, it's actually got them cooking more. So now, this is why now is the perfect time. We have heard that a price rise is coming in July, early July. We don't know how much that's going to be and the exact date, but we've heard it's around early July. They have also got this amazing offer on at the moment that if you buy a Thermomix before 11:59 p.m. next Thursday, then you get an extra bowl, lid, and blade for $29. Now, this normally costs $375. So you get the opportunity to add this on when you're buying your Thermomix for $29. Now, that is phenomenal. I've just got my second bowl, and it is amazing. Now, the reason why you might want a second bowl is if you're time poor and you're making a few different dishes at once and you don't have time to wash them, so you just get your second bowl out. If you've got allergies in your house and you need to keep one bowl separate for your gluten-free, dairy-free, whatever it is, separate to your standard bowl. If you are batch or bulk cooking, you can actually be doing, and you want to get meals in the freezer, you might want to do like a chunky bolognese or a lasagna. You do one batch in this, and then you do one batch in the other one, and you do them at the same time. Or a slow cooker, dal, anything and everything. Actually, you can use two bowls. Once you have two bowls, then you wouldn't want to go without. So $29, normally $375. It's phenomenal. So that's why, if you're thinking about getting a Thermomix, reach out to me and we can set up an online demo or an in-person demo, and we can get this on your kitchen bench and getting you saving time and money, being more creative, eating healthier, whatever it is for you that is important. But that deal finishes at 11:59 next Thursday, the 15th, or while stocks last. And I'd imagine they'll be going pretty quickly. So definitely reach out to me, and if you've got any questions, or if there's anything that's come up from what I've said today, then let's chat. And then obviously I become your consultant. So I help you get the most out of your machine. That's why these machines aren't sold in the shops, because you need to learn how to get the most out of them. And that's what we do as consultants. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll look forward to hearing from you if you want to get one of these on your bench in the next week or so, or even just before the price rise. Okay, see you later. Bye.